always there for me. That's why I care for you. I dry your teardrops. Cause your love is a wonderful thing. Many try to hide your blessing, but your love give me life. I don't wanna go gambling.
Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, I'm beautiful people. So on this beautiful Monday evening, I'll be doing some harvesting here in the subtropics of Australia. And the first thing I'll be harvesting is some red amaranth, otherwise known as callaloo. In Jamaica we call it callaloo. The English name is amaranth. So this is the red one. Typically, I'm more used to the green one, but the red one is more available to me. Otherwise, the green one I have to buy it online. But these ones are planted last season, and the blossoms were left on the plants, and I left them to dry up, and basically the seeds fall into the ground and they preserve throughout the winter, and then they just came up. So I didn't plant them this season. So what you're looking at with the red ones throughout the garden, they just fall in there and just grow. So I'll be harvesting some of these, and to be honest, I've compared the two. I've asked a question on the channel before, which one do you think tastes better if you have tried both, and some people said the green or the red, and some people say, well, both taste the same. But to me, in my opinion, I think the green one tastes better. Regardless, I love it and it's available to me, so I will be eating it. It's a vegetable that it's very good, and yeah, I enjoy it from, like, it's something that I'm used to from back home, and I love my greens, so why not? But today we're dealing with the reds, it's not the greens. All right, that's the first one. And so I just cut it at a fair amount, so these branches will come up back as fresh callaloo, so I'll have more to cut. You can see some of them are fully dark red, some of them are light red, green, and I think that's because they're not fully matured as the other ones. They're actually soft, like very easy to cut. That's alone tell you how soft they are. Just getting rid of all the bad leaves. As you can see, not fully red. That's what we're looking like. Some more in here. Just going through. Still have a lot of smaller ones, so I'll just leave those and work with these. So that's what the harvest look like so far. Well, that's the end of the harvest for the callaloo. So now we're gonna go over to the silver beet. So much tomato here. Gonna have to root out this pumpkin because literally not the space for it. This is my silver beet. Beautiful, and this right here is like a spinach. That is very nice. Very lovely. Few of the leaves have been chewed on, but most of them are good, so that is great news. Alright, so just cut a few more here. Alright, so this is my silver beet. I just take some of them because I don't really need too much at the moment. So that's gonna go with those. It looks like it's about to rain. The weather changed really quickly. So yeah, man. But as you can see, if you look over there, that's some silver beet there and some more through there. And we have so much tomato that's piling up. So one more thing to harvest is these cherry tomato. You can see them ready. Beautiful. Plenty. Pick even the ones that are slightly red, because by tomorrow they'll be, I mean, you can even eat them now anyway. Here I have my mint there next to the tomato. You can look at the colors. Beautiful. Maybe just tucked away under here. Got that red goodness. I have to be careful with these dragon fruits too, because they're very spiky. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. Beautiful. And I want to show you all the cherry again, because I actually have evidence of the blossom this time. Can you all see that? That's a cherry blossom. So, and there's more coming up, but the GoPro probably won't show you it properly, but there's more blossoms popping through again, so that is a good sign. And it's just springing up like, yeah, I'm excited. And someone asked in the previous video, what about the lemon tree? The lemon never stop bearing. Always have lemon. Lemon right now, it's currently a lot of young ones, but never stop bearing. Yeah. And these bugs, I don't know what they're called, but they live on it. Like, they're always here. Can you see them? Like, they're everywhere, literally. Yeah. Alright, one last thing to harvest, and it will be this. And I'm not talking the actual banana, I'm talking the banana blossom. So my father-in-law wife is from Thailand, and she's the one that actually gave me this banana plant. From it was like a tiny little sucker around this size, and I planted it. And so this is actually the second banana that it has produced so far. And the first one I gave her the banana blossom as well as I gave her banana, because obviously, you know, she provided a banana, a different banana. She said it's Thai banana, they call it. So, because for this one, she said, no, they don't eat that one. They don't eat that blossom. So it's a specific type they eat. this is one of them. So I'll be cutting this banana blossom and give it to her, as well as when the banana is matured, she will get from that as well. But I'm very curious to actually try this because I'm wondering what it would taste like. Because I've been to a lot of markets here in Australia and I see that they actually sell the blossom. So different cultures actually cook this. You know, in Jamaica, I've never seen anyone cook it. Correct me if I'm wrong. But we are used to eating the banana itself, you get me? So, but I think it would taste good. I'm assuming it's like maybe like a cabbage or something, I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna be cutting that because it is that time now. Let's go. I'm gonna get up on this chair. Give it a cut. I have to be careful of the stain when I cut it because banana stain is no joke on clothes. Yeah man, this one ready to get cooked and eat. Banana blossom. Yeah man. Alright, so this is the harvest of the evening. So I have some cherry tomato, some banana blossom, some silver beet, and finally some red callaloo, otherwise amaranth. Yeah man, so that's it for today my people, and I hope you all enjoy watching today's video, alright? And catch you in the next one. It's Island Boy. We're on a roll now. Let's go.